Now let's go chat with Lynn, a longtime Haddonfield resident who is kind enough to let us into her home and share her experience living in this wonderful town.
So I've been living in Haddonfield now, let me think exactly how long, So we moved here for 16 years now. Originally, my husband and I were living in Philadelphia. And then when we had our daughter, our first child, we decided that we needed to get out of the city. So we actually were in Haddon Heights for a few years. And when she became school age and we had our second child, we thought that we really wanted to be in a place where the school districts were good. So we did some research, and Haddonfield has great school districts. So then we decided when she started kindergarten to move to Haddonfield. So the current house that we're in now, we've been for about 5 years, and prior to this we were living in a different home in Haddonfield. So this house was built in, it's probably about 25 years old, so it needed some updates when we moved in. So we redid the kitchen, the whole thing, we got it gutted, and we opened up some of the space in the living room, got the basement done, so we just updated it a lot. What gets me excited about living here, and one of the original reasons we also moved here, was because of the downtown. So we were living in Philly. I was in New York before we got married in Philly, so I'm like a city kind of vibe person, and I really liked the vibe of the downtown in that it was accessible and walkable, and they just had different restaurants and just opportunities to shop, grab a cup of coffee, so it's very accessible and fun, and it's vibrant. It's a vibrant town, and I really liked that. That really drew us into Haddonfield.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like, and check out the full episodes right here on my YouTube channel.